Filmora 15 recently added a new and revolutionary feature, AI Mate. This tool is designed for anyone who doesn't understand timelines, panels, or editing terms. You literally talk to it like a friend, and it fixes your video. AI Mate will talk to you, help you guide you to learn Filmora operation, and help you perform basic editing. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What is AI Mate and where to find it? AI Mate is a built-in assistant in Filmora that you can find on the timeline toolbar. AI Mate understands natural language. Instead of learning where buttons are or what tools do, you simply tell AI Mate what you want. Help me delete the extra parts of this clip. Mute the loud background noise. Where is the interface language option? And AI Mate instantly performs the task or shows you where to click. Demonstration. Let's try a few examples. I imported a rough vlog clip with long silent pauses and placed it onto the timeline. Normally you'd trim these manually, but let's ask AI Mate. Please remove the silent sections and keep only the speaking parts. AI Mate analyzes the clip, trims the silent part, and timeline updates cleanly. All the silent parts are removed. Next, let's ask, make the audio clearer. And AI Mate applies noise reduction and auto levels the voice. You can see the difference. Next, let's ask AI Mate. Add a simple title at the beginning that says Morning Vlog, and AI Mate inserts a title preset without you touching the timeline. Quick cuts. With AI Mate, you can roughly cut any footage and turn it into ready-to-edit footage on your timeline. We have this 5-minute vlog footage on the timeline. Just select your footage and then select Rough Cut. AI Mate starts analyzing the footage, removes all the silent parts, applies noise reduction, and enhances the visuals. And here's your footage on the timeline, ready for editing. Similarly, you can generate a product showcase video with AI Mate. Simply select Generate Product Showcase, edit the prompt, and click on Send and relax. AI Mate automatically generate a video from text. Quick Template. AI Mate also has a Quick Template option. Click on the Quick Template, and now you can select the Quick Template for video, text, audio, or a guide. To enhance your footage, select Enhance Footage from the video section, and it will add a command. You can then modify the enhancement percentage and click on Send. And AI Mate start processing, then asks your permission for the task and enhances your footage. You can check that Auto Enhance is now set to 80. Next, from the Audio Quick Template, select Normalize Loudness, and AI Mate automatically enables and sets the audio normalization. Clearing conversation. If you want to clear all conversations from the AI Mate, select the Clean tool from the top, select Clear, and now AI Mate is ready for the next fresh project. AI Mate is a tool that basically removes the learning curve from video editing. Whether you're new to Filmora or just want faster solutions, this assistant is surprisingly powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.